Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time on this channel, this is the e-hustle channel and I am Stella, and on this channel we talk about e-commerce. Okay, so in this video I'm going to be telling you about how to buy from Alibaba.com. Now, what is Alibaba.com? Alibaba.com is an international website where mostly wholesalers and retailers go to buy their stock from. Okay, on Alibaba you don't find retailers selling on Alibaba. What you find is wholesalers and manufacturers. You get factory contacts from Alibaba and wholesaler contacts from Alibaba only. Okay, so now what most people don't know about Alibaba.com, 1688.com and AliExpress, they think these are different companies, but these are all children of the same mother. Okay, they are all children of the same mother and they have their different functions. So what is Alibaba.com and how is Alibaba.com different from 1688.com? Alibaba.com and 1688.com are both owned by the same company, the Alibaba Group. Now, 1688 is a Chinese wholesale website meant for buyers in China. Okay, they are not meant to sell to the international community. Now, Alibaba.com is meant for the international community. So whether you're in China or in any other country, you can conveniently shop on Alibaba.com. Now, while shopping on Alibaba.com, there are certain things you need to note if you're not used to buying internationally, okay, especially from buying from a wholesale website like Alibaba.com. Now, the first thing we are going to be talking about here, I've already given you an overview on what Alibaba.com is. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how to search for products on Alibaba.com. We are going to be using certain filters to filter out the scammers and the people with substandard goods, okay, on Alibaba.com. You need to know that on Alibaba.com, you don't just say, oh, this person has 1,000 reviews, so this person is legit. No, some sellers actually go and pay people to come and comment on, to come and leave those fake reviews with pictures that I've already given to them on their product page. Okay, so sometimes you might see 1,000 reviews, and if you don't go through those reviews, you might not be able to tell if they are real or they are fake. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how to choose the best supplier, how to chat with these suppliers. Okay, you need to know when to chat with them. If you're a buyer based in Nigeria, or any other part of the world, you need to take note of the time zones. Okay, the time zones here and in China, where most of these sellers are, is not the same. So you don't want to try to chat a supplier at the time when they are not going to be available to respond to your messages. Okay, you want to take note of this. Usually for us in Nigeria here, you chat during the night time. Okay, you chat during the night time, and that is when you're most likely going to find a supplier online. Okay, when you chat with these suppliers, you want to go straight to the point. No beating about the bush, no unnecessary banter. Just go straight to the point. Hello, I like your product, I want this. Hello, I want this product in this quantity, this specifications. Tell them the color, the size, whatever it is, depending on the kind of product you want to buy. You go ahead and tell them that this is what you want. Simplify it as much as you can. Okay, don't try to use high sounding words. Okay, the kind of vocabulary that the Chinese use is very simple. It's not complex at all. It's almost like what you speak to primary school children. So just simplify your words, your sentences. Okay, go straight to the point. No beating about the bush. These are very busy people. They have a lot of clients. Okay, so if you want them to respond to you on time, you need to make your message easy to understand and very short, very brief, and straight to the point. So in this video, I'm going to also be telling you about the minimum order quantity. Okay, there's something called MOQ. Like I said, it's a wholesale website, okay, but some wholesalers are willing to sell as little as 2 products, okay, but you can hardly find a seller that will sell 1 item to you on Alibaba.com. They are there, but you can hardly find wholesalers who are willing to sell 1 product to you. And of course, you know, if you're familiar with buying wholesale, you know that the less you buy, the more expensive it is. The more you buy, the cheaper it is for you, okay. I'm also going to be talking about payments. How you can make payment on these websites. For us here in Nigeria, we have a little bit of an issue with our cards because, you know, the CBN $20 limits on Nigerian bank cards for international payments. Okay, so you can only pay $20 in a month. So it means that you need an agent. You either get an agent or you get a dollar domiciliary account that you can use for payment. Or if you're someone that is used to working on websites like Fiverr, on Upwork, and other places that you can earn money in dollars. You can save that. You can get a Pioneer bank card or a cheaper cash bank card, and then you can use those cards to make payments on these websites and other shopping websites that you might want to buy from. So you need cheaper shipping options, okay? So that is where the Nigerian shipping agents or the shipping agents in whichever country that you're located in, that's where they come in. So the last thing I'm going to be explaining, well, the last two things actually, the last two things I'm going to be explaining is what trade assurance is, okay? Make sure that the buyer you're buying from has trade assurance. Trade assurance is Alibaba.com's escrow service, okay? They take the money from you and hold it until they make sure that the seller has given you what you want. You have received your goods, and then you confirm receipt of these goods. Then they go back and pay the seller on your behalf, okay? So your money doesn't just go directly from you to the seller. It goes to this escrow service by Alibaba, and then they hold it, they make sure everything runs smoothly. They are there to handle disputes for you, okay? But we don't want to get into a situation where we have to start trying to settle disputes on Alibaba.com. So I'm going to be showing you exactly how to navigate these problems, okay? Next thing is your shipping. Shipping with Alibaba.com's shipping options sometimes can be very expensive. If you're deciding to ship via DHL, FedEx, it's going to be very expensive for you. So they are going to help you to reduce the shipping cost significantly so that you don't have to spend a fortune trying to get your goods to your location. Alright, so now that's everything I'm going to be telling you in this video. Let's get to my computer screen. See you there. This is the Alibaba homepage. When you type Alibaba.com in your browser, either on your mobile phone or on your laptop, this is what you're going to see. Okay, so this is the search box. You can see this icon here. So this is the search box. You can see this camera icon here. Okay, you can use images to search on Alibaba.com. So if you have a specific image, maybe you saw a particular item that you want to buy, you can just come here and upload the image and then use it in searching for that same product. So we're going to be searching for human hair wig. Okay, so using that search term, this is what we got, okay? But you don't want to just pick any of these suppliers here on the screen. So what we are going to do is that we are going to come to the left corner of the screen here. You can see that we have some filters here. This is what I talked about, and then there are more filters down here that you can use. See verified supplier, verified pro supplier, okay, and then the ones that respond quickly. The trade assurance, you can see here, it protects your orders on Alibaba.com, okay? So you want to select trade assurance. These ones, when you try to chat them up, they're not just going to leave your chats hanging, okay? They're going to respond to you within 1 hour. They have very fast response. So you can select verified supplier and 1 hour response rates, okay? Under supplier features, we ticked verified supplier and less than 1 hour response time, okay? So you can go ahead and choose other filters here. Ready to ship, that means these items, it's not after you place your order that they're going to be made. They are ready, they have them already, and they're going to ship them as soon as you make payment, okay? You can also get paid samples. Maybe to buy hair from a supplier, you're going to use this option, okay, so that you can get samples instead of buying in bulk and then discovering that the hair is not of good quality, or whatever you're buying is not of good quality, okay? So your minimum order quantity, you can also choose the minimum order quantity of the suppliers that you're buying from, okay? So if you don't have much, if you don't want to buy too many pieces at once, you can pick 2, and then you can also select the price here, okay? You can also choose the country of the supplier, and you can see their previous export histories, okay? You can choose suppliers who have previously exported to your region or your country, okay? So there are other filters here that you can use, and all these things is just to protect you, okay? There are a host of things that you can buy here. For instance, you can shop for, you see, you still have those options in the right corner here, and then you can see how long the suppliers have been selling on Alibaba.com. Now you don't want a supplier that has been selling for anything below 4 years on Alibaba, okay? And even at that, you can see the number of reviews they have, and their minimum order quantity is 2 pieces. Okay, the minimum order quantity here is 2 pieces, and they have 47 reviews. You want to check everything. You want to be careful when you're buying on Alibaba.com, because there are a lot of scammers here. A lot of people come online and they post products that they know that they're never going to send to you, that they may not even have. So you want to be very careful. After using those filters, you need to, the smaller the quantity you're buying, the more expensive it's going to be, and the more the quantity you're buying is going to be cheaper for you. In other words, when you're buying in bulk, you're going to pay way less than somebody who is just getting a few pieces. You can see the statistics here for this stick-on nails that we're looking at. So you can see the rating, you can see the number of buyers. Okay, just scroll down and then you can find more information about the item that you're buying. I suggest you download the Alibaba app so that you can have easy access to the reviews, and then look at the reviews, look at the pictures. You'll definitely be able to tell the reviews that are fake from the ones that are real, definitely, because some of them have pictures that, if you're familiar with shopping on AliExpress, you would have seen those pictures on AliExpress, so you know that this person just downloaded this video, or this person was just giving this picture and they didn't actually buy that product. They are just using pictures that they were given. Okay, when you're ready to place your order, you can come here, send order request, or just contact your supplier and talk to them. Keep it simple. So I say, I want to get 1,000 pieces of this product. Okay, and then you can negotiate with them here, and then you also discuss shipping. If you're not using their shipping options, you can go to your agent and get their shipping rates and then also their exchange rates. Okay, so you're going to be using their address when you're including your shipping details. Okay, so in my next video, I'm going to be telling you how to buy safely from aliexpress.com. I'm going to be showing you the steps. The steps are quite similar, but on aliexpress.com you don't have minimum order quantities. You can buy in bulk still, but you don't have minimum order quantities, and then you get a little discount when you buy in bulk, unlike Alibaba and 1688.com that is meant for wholesalers and manufacturers. Okay, so see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.